Okay, so these are the exact staples that I used a lot with this staple gun. So I know it worked well and goes well with them. Link for these will be in the description below. Let's see about loading it up. Take the battery out, just safety first. If I remember correctly, you just set them in there. They're in there. And slam it forward. That's it. Let's see. This is a piece of weathered pine that I've had sitting out. We're going to go ahead and dial it up to the max setting. And we'll go ahead and leave it where I need it to be, or where I learned it needed to be for my boat. And the carpeting. Maybe. Pretty good sound there. Okay. Let's go ahead and give this a go. Hopefully I have the battery charged. So you can see here, kind of going with the grain. It didn't quite seat. There's definitely a ridge here at this staple. This one, where I kind of spread across the grain and went between them, it is pretty darn flush in there. Again, you have tighter grain, looser grain, and therefore that can all play into the density of the wood you're stapling into. But you can see I kind of have the similar size depressions from that guard or guide or whatever above those staples. Let's go ahead and draw it back to the min and see what it does. Okay, with these being stainless steel staples, I want to quit using them. But let's go ahead and show you how this turned out. So now these were the first two at max. You can see that this one actually, there is no, it's actually sunk in right there where the staple is. This was reduced all the way down to min, and it's tight, tight down. You can't see daylight through it. But there's definitely a ridge there where the staple is. Now when I turned it and went the other way, same general spot on the board here, you can see there's daylight underneath it and a big time ridge on that one. And then when I went over into the denser part of the board, the minimum, it seems to be up a little higher as expected, denser part, and running the other way, it also stayed up a little bit. Nice thing is, I know I'm having consistent pressure because I can only push down so hard, and I need to push down hard enough to depress the safety feature so it will actually send the staple. So I guess that's something else I should mention. With the battery in, it will not fire a staple. And now, we're just going to depress it. Depress the safety button up top here, and the little black tab in there has to get pushed down. So watch as it pushes down. Those teeth hit, and it fires. So that's the safety feature on this battery-operated RYOBI staple gun. The model number on this one is P317. It is the 3/8" crown stapler T50. So operating off the RYOBI ONE Plus battery pack. Home Depot runs a lot of good deals on the ONE Plus batteries. So all in all, check out the RYOBI ONE Plus line. Link in the description below. This is Lucas Borgstrom. Thank you for watching.